Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you what I did with this cute little glass jug or vase that I bought at the Dollar Tree. It's cute already. It had a key and some buffalo plaid ribbon on it, but I took that off and I'm dabbing chalk paint by Full Cart, excuse me. It's in the color Adirondack White, I believe. And so I'm just dabbing it on. I found that dabbing it on works better than the brush. The brush strokes kind of leave lines, and I like the texture that the dabbing leaves on as I do this. So I'm dabbing the paint all over, just putting my finger inside and just turning it as needed. And this is a really quick and easy project and just makes it look so much more farmhouse style, I think. I mean, even though it was a farmhouse style little item anyway, but so, and then I dabbed around the top. Now I'm just going to use my heat tool, give it a quick dry, and then there's a few little sections that didn't get real good coverage, so I'll dab some more paint onto it after it's dry. And I got these little farmhouse rooster rub-on transfers from Amazon. And so I'm just going to use this one single little rooster. So I'm taking off the backing. And these are really sticky. And so you have to make sure your paint is really good and dry or it brings some up. So I'm just using my little scraper tool that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. Just making sure that whole rooster is adhered down before I start pulling up the plastic. And I was really worried because it was really sticking pretty good. I thought, oh dear, it's going to pull up my paint. But it didn't too bad, so I was happy about that. I just started slowly pulling it up, and there's a couple parts that weren't quite adhered down, so you just put your plastic back down and just keep rubbing until it's on there good. And it turned out pretty good. I was happy with it. A couple little spots that the paint came up, so I just dabbed it real quick. And then I'm just going to hot glue some twine around the top neck of it a few times. Not sure how many times I went around, probably 4, maybe 5. And just put a little dot of glue every so often. And I started it in the back, so you won't see that from the front. Just go and clear up to the top of the vase. Cutting it off and then putting one last little dab of glue to hold it all in place. Now I'm going around my fingers a few times with a little bit thinner piece of twine, just making a little bow with the twine, going around the middle with it. And then just flaring it as needed, and I'm just putting it on top of the rows of twine. And then I'm still going to use that little buffalo plaid ribbon that came with it and just put another little shoestring bow on top of the twine. I'm just using these little wood heart buttons that I have and been using a lot of my projects lately. I got those on Amazon. Just gluing it on top of the bows. And the one last thing I'm going to do, I'm using my potting soil, is the color Distress Ink. And just going down all around the bottom, mostly. then up on the corners just a little bit, and then just a tiny bit up at top in a few places. And then I'm going to use my finger just to kind of rub it and blend it a little bit better. And that is it for this project. Oh no, it's not. Pardon me. Forgot I was going to fill it. So I had just some leaf picks. Got those at Walmart. And then some tiny little pieces of eucalyptus that I used on another project. I'm sure I've had those in my stash for a long, long time. Just going to put a few of those in there. And I'm just hot gluing them all so they'll stay put, so they won't move around when I move my little vase around in different areas of my kitchen. So I'm holding the glue there while it dries. Like I said, this is a super quick and easy little project. But I thought these little vases were so cute. And there she is. I think it turned out cute, and I'm really happy with it, and I hope you are too. I hope it inspires you to do something similar, and thank you so much for watching.